Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering how to optimize the Ubisoft Connect Launcher and fix most of its errors. A lot of users have experienced that Ubisoft fails to launch on their computers and have server instability, which affects to the gaming experience. In fact, Ubisoft Connect is very lightweight and is one of the most network-active programs compared to other launchers. However, if you are struggling with these issues, this video will provide you with solutions to fix most of the errors. These optimizations will also reduce FPS stutters in Ubisoft games. I recommend you watching this video once before trying out the solutions. So let's jump into the video. First of all, we are going to make some changes to the properties of the Ubisoft Connect app. So right-click on the Ubisoft Connect Launcher and click on Open File Location. Now right-click on this highlighted Ubisoft application and click on Properties. Then navigate to the Compatibility tab and tick the first option, which is Compatibility Mode. Then tick the Disable Full Screen Optimizations, as well as run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply and click OK. So the Compatibility Mode allows you to execute older software designed for earlier versions of Windows. However, this will make the program run more smoothly and without any compatibility issues. And disabling full screen optimizations will help you reduce FPS stutters in games. Then, running Ubisoft as an administrator can configure system settings and access that are normally restricted to standard user accounts. Next, we are going to clear the Ubisoft Connect cache. So go to the Ubisoft installation location like we did earlier. Then, at the top, you'll see the Ubisoft cache folder. Double-click on it. Now you need to delete all the contents inside the cache folder. So simply click on one of the folder and press Ctrl and a key together in your keyboard. Then right-click and click on Delete. So deleting the cache of Ubisoft Connect can help resolve some technical issues and make the launcher work more smoothly. Also, these files will be rebuilt once you restart the Ubisoft app and use it. So I recommend that you clear the cache files regularly. And make sure to delete the files from the recycle bin as well. Next, we are going to take a look at the best Ubisoft launcher settings. First of all, if you are using the beta version of Ubisoft Connect, I highly recommend going back to the standard version. This newer version of Ubisoft is still under development, so you may encounter some bugs that slow down the launcher. However, if you like, you can still try out the beta version and see what's best for you. But I prefer to use the standard version for low-end computers until the beta is officially released. For now, I will continue with the beta version. The settings are pretty much the same compared to the older version. The only thing that has changed is the location of the settings and the UI. So to navigate to the settings, simply click on your profile picture on the left, then click on Settings. For the first option, I prefer to disable the cloud save. But if you're playing story-based games, and you choose to log into your Ubisoft account on a different PC to continue the game, if the cloud save option is disabled, the progress you made in the game won't be saved, so you will have to start from the beginning. So if you don't care about that, simply go ahead and untick the cloud save option. Then, for the second option, make sure to disable it. After that, disable the launch of Ubisoft Connect, and disable remote play as well. Also, I like to keep disabled the Send Crash Reports option. Once you've done that, move on to the Interface tab. So disabling the in-game overlay will significantly improve the performance of the Ubisoft launcher and games. However, if you are playing multiplayer games with friends, the in-game overlay is really important. If this is disabled, you won't be able to team up with friends. And make sure to disable the display FPS counter in-game. After that, move to the Downloads tab. Then basically disable all the options you have here. Then go to the Notification tab. So all the notification options here are personal preferences, and the more you disable, the better the launcher and the game will be. So take your time and go through this list of settings. Once you do that, move on to the final tab. Then untick screenshot options and account linking if you don't use them. After that, restart Ubisoft Connect. Next up, we are going to experiment the Ubisoft priority in real time and below normal. So once you run the Ubisoft, open up Task Manager. Then navigate to Details. Then scroll down until you see upc.exe. Then right-click on it and select Set Priority. And click on Real Time. After that, click on Change Priority. So if you don't know what real-time do is, it can access all CPU resources available on your PC, which is the highest level of priority you can give to a program. And setting Ubisoft priority to real-time can prevent crashes and make the launcher run faster. However, this can also slow down other programs and make your computer less responsive. If your Ubisoft launcher does not crash up, don't set the priority to real-time. Instead, try above normal. So to do that, again go to Task Manager and right-click on upc.exe. Then in Set Priority, you can see Above Normal. So click on Above Normal and check if the Ubisoft launcher and the games you play are running well. If not, just stick with the default, which is the normal priority. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And make sure to check out my other videos for further performances. Drop a like and stay subscribed. See you guys in the next video.